Don't just study English, live it. Speak English with Aisell.
Do you feel like your brain freezes when you try to speak English? You know the words, you know the grammar, but it takes forever to build a sentence because you are translating from your native language. If this is you, don't worry. You're not bad at English, you just haven't trained your brain to think in English. Today, I will show you the exact 5-step roadmap to switch your brain to English mode forever. Let's dive in. Step 1 is labeling. Your brain needs to connect objects directly to English words without a middleman. Look around your room right now. Don't translate the word from your language. If you see a place where you work, say desk. Let's practice this together. I will say the word, and I want you to repeat it after me. Desk. Desk. Window. Window. Laptop. Laptop. Coffee. Coffee. Step 3. Stop using translation dictionaries. Use English definitions or images. If you see a new word, look for the feeling or picture of the word. For example, the word huge. Don't translate it. Just imagine a giant mountain and say huge. Let's try some descriptive words. Repeat after me. Huge. Huge. Tiny. Tiny. Hilarious. Hilarious. Frustrated. Frustrated. Step 2. Now that you can name objects, move to monologue. Describe your daily actions in very simple sentences. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just connect the action to the English sound. Let's practice the daily actions sentences. Repeat after me. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. I am opening the door. I am opening the door. I am checking my phone. I am checking my phone. I am tired. I am tired. Step 4. Every night before you sleep, spend 2 minutes talking to yourself about your day. It's like a mental diary. Today was a good day. I finished my work. I exercised. This builds fluency stamina. If you don't know a word, describe it. For example, if you forget the word fork, say, the tool for eating pasta. This is thinking in English. Step 5. Final step, change your environment. Switch your phone language to English. Watch videos with English subtitles. When you surround yourself with the language, your brain has no choice but to adapt. It will be difficult at first, but your brain is a muscle. Train it every day. Thinking in English is a journey. Start today. Look around you right now and name one object in the comments in English. I will reply to as many as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to Speak English with Aisell for more lessons to reach global fluency. See you in the next video.